Welcome back to Weg's Garage. Today on the show, it's our last chance to get our 1964 Triumph TR4 tuned up and running great before winter comes in. We got all the parts we need for our carburetors. We got everything we need to get this thing running great, and we want to make sure it runs good before winter comes in. So let's get going. Alright, so over here on the bench, by popular demand, here is a new set of throttle shafts, which I think is probably a good idea. I don't know if you can see on here, but these shafts are actually really worn. There's big shoulders here where they went through the carburetor bodies, so these new ones fit nice and snug in there. Very little play, so I think that's going to be a nice upgrade. The only thing that is a little bit different is these replacement ones are quite a bit longer than the originals, so I think that could be a problem with some of our linkage here, but we can always trim these, or we'll just see how they kind of fit together when we're done. But so we're gonna get these new shafts put in, finish putting together this carburetor here, and then get the whole thing put back on the car. Okay, so we got our carburetors loosely mounted in here. You can kind of see these shafts. This is the old connecting piece here between the two, so that's a little bit too long now with these new shafts. So rather than try to modify these shafts, which are pretty precise, I think what we're gonna do is just try cutting this middle piece down a little bit and making that fit between the two. So we're gonna do that now, and then we'll get these carburetors a little more permanently mounted and get everything hooked back up. Alright, so our carburetors are back together. Everything's working right, all the linkages hooked up, fuel lines, vacuum lines. So we are ready to send this thing outside. Kind of running out of time here. It gets dark pretty early, so get it out there and see if we can get it started. Alright, yeah, crank her over once, let's see what happens. Let me make sure we're getting fuel up there. Yeah, should be. Probably just take a little while to fill the floats.
It is getting gas?
Yeah.
Okay. Rest.
Tried to start there once.
Let's go again. It's close. Give a starter a few minutes. So close. So close.
A little squirt of magic fluid. Okay, I'm just gonna
I got full choke and I just got a little bit of pressure on the accelerator. Rev that again, I want to watch.
feels pretty damn peppy.
You got more snot.
Yeah. The headlights are blinding. Look at them babies.
Well, there's high beam.
That's pretty good. I can at least see now.
Oh yeah, there's more pep. There you go, that's good. You got it, man. Go lights, let's get out of this hatch.
Well, that's it. We might not have quite been able to go for that nice fall drive we were looking for, but we got out here tonight, got it tuned up. It is running so much better with these carburetors rebuilt. We got it tuned. Feeling really good about how this car is working going into the winter months. So yeah, thanks so much for following along on our project. And well, until next time, I don't know. Thanks for watching.